Pauwi pa lang ako. Galing ako gym. Nag-i-snow dito sa Hungary, guys. Tuloy pa rin tayo sa Project 50 natin. Hi. One of my followers asked me how I manage my time. Paano ko nga ba napapagsabay yung 50 days challenge at yung work? And simple lang, time management. So I have journal. I write down my schedule. Mga dapat kong gawin ngayong araw, no? Lalo na pag rest day, I just want to maximize my day. And gusto ko maging productive yung araw ko, no? Sa mga kapaki-pakinabang na bagay. And sa pagpunta ng gym, pagbabasa ng books, and yung pag-daily content. For someone who don't know what is my Project 50, Project 50 means for the next 50 days, I'm doing daily content. And I just want to improve myself, creating good habits, no? How to talk in the camera, how to talking here in the public places. Right now, I'm here in Calvin Tier and talking right now to you guys. So, I'm posting to my page, to my YouTube channel, and any kind of my social media platform. And I want to improve myself, no? Yun lang yung ginagawa ko, paano ko nababalance yung time ko sa work, yung time ko sa sarili ko, at yung time ko sa paggawa ng content. And malaking tulong din yung binabasa kong books, yung Atomic Habits. Napakalaking tulong nun sa akin. Actually, doon ko nakikita yung mga content na ginagawa ko. No? Sobrang laking tulong ng Atomic Habits. Yung mga nag-aas sa akin, saan ko nabili yun? Sa libre, dito sa Budapest. Mayroon po nun sa libre na store. Wait lang pala, andyan na yung tropa ko. Kasi may lakad kami ngayong buong araw. Mayroon kami mahalagang lakad ngayon ng tropa ko. And andyan na siya. So, see you again later. Nag-i-snow, guys. Pupunta ako ngayon sa gym.
I can't love you like I should, but I don't wanna let you know. I don't wanna break your heart, only want you to let me go. Let me let you down without you feeling all alone. I don't wanna break your heart, only want you to let me go. Hit and run and then I'm flying, 'cause you know they'll never find me. Leave no prints, I'm just a memory. Hit and run, they'll never get me. These feelings I got, they're making me whole. Deep here in my heart, it's coming home.
Pauwi pa lang ako. Galing ako gym. Nag-i-snow dito sa Hungary, guys. Tuloy pa rin tayo sa Project 50 natin. Tingnan nyo, kapal na ng snow sa ulo ko. Andito ako ngayon sa tapat ng gym. And pauwi na ako. Kasi gabi na, alas 8 na ng gabi. And see you tomorrow, guys. Follow for more. This is Jao King. Love you, guys. Oh, solo vlogging. Sobrang busy ko this day. Dami kong ginawa sa buhay. Dami kong pinagagawa. Napaka-productive ng araw ko ngayon. Pero parang hindi ako napapagod. Buti na lang, no? Buti na lang meron tayong inspiration ngayon. Inspiration natin, yung self-improvement. So, yun lang. Yun lang, guys. Bye-bye. Love you. Love you so much, everyone. God bless you. Peace out. See you tomorrow. Follow for more. Bye-bye.